So I'm making a video on replacing the spark plug clips. They tend to get a little brittle after time, and mine have broken. So a couple of them broke, so I'm just replacing all 4 of them. I ordered the clips on Amazon. I forgot the exact link, but I'll get it and probably put it on the description so you guys can buy them. I purchased these for, I think it was about 15 bucks. So I took out the first one. Technically you just pop it from the sides. Basically it's from here and from the other side over here. And as soon as I popped it out, there's little plastic pieces that broke out. It's so brittle. Just make sure you don't confuse the connections. Make sure you pull them one by one and they go exactly the way you pull them out. So don't forget to add this little plastic orange thing inside before you put the blue thing back on. So luckily my new kit, my new thing I purchased comes with the blue one, so at least, you know, I get to replace those because I'm sure they're brittle too. Okay, so the new clip is now in there. I got lucky. The clips that I got actually comes with a new orange piece. So you literally just clip the black piece in and then put the new blue piece back inside, and you could hear it click. And I mean, it seems like it's pretty sturdy for the most part. So then just lift this up a little bit and make sure it's good by clipping this baby in, and you're good to go. Now do this for all the other connections. I know that this one's broken off, this one is broken off as well, and I think this is the only one that actually works. So yeah, it's real easy. Takes no more than 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes for all of them. It takes longer to take the top valve cover piece off. Okay, so I replaced all of the connections finally. It was really straightforward, real easy. Here are the old connectors. All of them cracked when I pulled them out. That's how bad they were. You can see all the little plastic pieces too. So highly recommend everyone doing these if you've never done it. These cars are getting old and they will need to be done. I know I did like spark plugs last year, and I believe it was this spark plug that the connector popped out because it wasn't connecting good and it broke off, and I was stuck in the middle of the road. The car was driving horrible. So do it as soon as you can. I mean, it's something easy and cheap, and definitely something that everyone should be doing. Thank you, and subscribe. All right, now gonna make sure it's running good and smooth, and everything seems like it